friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FaceApp. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about FaceApp and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about FaceApp. Then you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to